Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You may be thinking, Hannah, you're in a different place. What is this background? Where are we? And we are in Paris, France. I am officially on my second semester of grad school and we are doing it in Paris. And I wanted to give you guys a little apartment tour to show you where I'm at, what I brought, things like that. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, thrifting, vlogs, really anything you could ever want. And if you enjoy this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get on with this Paris apartment tour. Okay, so this is the view when you first walk in. You see our couch, which is a pull-out couch, and the little table. And then to our left is our porch, which is super nice. This is the view outside. It's really, really pretty when it's sunnier outside, but it's nice right now too. And we have little chairs. These are my roommates, Brooke and Hannah. So this is our dining room slash kitchen. The kitchen has everything you could ever need. Little oven, stovetop, kettle, coffee machine, toaster, sink. It has a dishwasher, which is super, super nice. And microwave, and this is the best part, a big old fridge. We already got our cheese, we got our fromage in there, we got our brie. We got water, we got everything you could need, wine. And this is our TV that we like to watch French cartoons on. They're very entertaining, even though we have no idea what's going on. And then in this little corner, we have our skull decorations and a nice floor lamp. And then you go around this corner back here, we have a bathroom here to our right. Where's the light in here? There it is. It's just a toilet and a little baby sink and a mirror. There's no shower in this one. But then you continue this way. This is my roommate Hannah's room. Really nice wood beams, cute throw pillows. There's a little standing wardrobe. And then she has a shower attached to her room as well as a sink, mirror. So this is like her section of the apartment. And then through this doorway, the entrance is right there. On the other side of the wall is where Brooke and I stay. So you go through here. And the bathroom is on the left. This one has toilet, sink, and a really, really nice big shower. Happy about that. Great water pressure. Then keep going through the hallway, and down here is the washing machine. We haven't used it yet, but hopefully it's easy to figure out. To our left is Brooke's room. Her bed and her wardrobe is right at the end. Mirror in here, mirror right there. You have your options when it comes to mirrors. And then this is my boudoir. Is that bedroom? No. Okay, so you walk in and my bed is to the left with two little lamps on the side. Super cozy with a little skylight. I keep my shoes down there. And then you turn around and the vanity is right here. This is where I filmed the intro. Really great space to do my makeup, and then closets flanking each side. This one I keep my coats in and my masks, and then this one is like everything else. Ready? And then a cute little window that you can open. You can spy on the neighbors, look down on the street. Really nice. And each room has its own heater and air conditioning, which is really, really ideal. So you can pick your own temperature. And I think that's about it for the apartment tour. Did I miss anything? So that is the entire apartment. It's really nice, we really love it. I wouldn't really change anything about it. It's beautiful and functional, and it's in a great place in Paris, so we're really excited about it, and I'm happy to be living here for the next 4 months. And that is all I have for you guys today, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, that would really help me out. And that's it. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.